backstage right now. You got that open access right now. Like, this shit is exclusive.
Yes, sir, baby.
Trey Songz, Fab, this is going down, yo. All right.
People say I changed, so my phone may never ring. We coming from, we draw the sword. Touche, that will get you caught in a fiasco. I'm early studying the rap game. I started all shot, now I'm living in the sky. But they can only judge you by the hunger in your eyes. The black flag shoes, that's the color of my tie. They try to knock me down, but I recover every time. I cover every mile with the anger that I feel. Hoping that it hasn't yet deranged my appeal. Eating artists till you see the face in my
about to catch a nigga sleeping on a pillowcase. Yeah, they got a problem, I be mobbing with some goblins. A nigga getting money, then my bros gon' rob him. Putting time in, my niggas grinding. We gotta get it in tonight, bro. I feel like D-Lo on my mobbers, though.
Stupid is and stupid does. Could've ended up with stupid time for moving drugs. Instead I put my time in the booth to recoup the ones. Cousin Ooh said invest in yourself in the loot to come. Inspired cash in the bank, I motivate funds. Keep a couple $100 grand on the tip of my tongue. Live like I'm poor, but I think like I'm rich. Trying to get paid in full like Rico, Ace, and Mitch. Like a light-skinned Frank Lucas, no fur, framework shirt with the loafers, polo peon, niggas know what we on, we gone, must be the money like Dion, pockets full of bread, legs spread like Dijon, knowing I'm the shit, but I'm pissing on peons, about to milk the game to the very last drop, riding like a train to the very last stop, boarded at the bottom, hopped off at the top, about my dead presidents, it's bigger than hip-hop. Bigger than hot 9-7. Ahead of my time, I got rounds from 9-7. Post-dated flows, I send a hater rose. Compliments, so YC send a whole case. Fuck them all, trying to stay alive, yeah, you know I'm trying to stay.
Who would have thought? We broke the law to buy Jordans.
What up, baby boy?
Imagine what we do to pay the mortgage.
Framework YC, post up in the building.
Damn.
Lyrically shut everybody straight down. PA, bitch.
Original baby, bitch. That's how it's going down. And the 2004 beyond, bitch.
We're alcoholics.
6 years since y'all seen this shit. Put this shit on the DVD, bitch.
Hey, right here. Come right here now.
Yeah.
Listen, Corp is on every fucking thing. This is fucking DC homecoming. Howard homecoming, nigga, I do it real. I do tough talk, and I do tough shit, nigga, it's real. Easy money.
Watch me do this. Watch me. Hey, look. Watch me do this. Watch me do this. After this. That's the trigger. You know what I mean?
Yo, wait, we are from Compton, South Central, Hollywood.
Where y'all from?
Just LA.
LA? Oh shit, y'all is beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh man, you got a man?
Yo, give me a like
In the back though. What's that chocolate thing hitting for in the back? Oh, Hershey almonds or something.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
What's that Hershey almonds hitting for though?
Business shake.
Chocolate.
No.
What's up, chocolate?
Okay,
Where you from?
how you? Jersey.
From Jersey. What part of Jersey?
Pine Hill. South Jersey.
Okay, alright, hold on. Let's mute.
We are from Tennessee.
Where is you from?
Tennessee?
Where is you from? Houston.
Shit, y'all from Cloverly?
Houston?
Hell nah. That's
Low flip, nigga. Y'all know Slim Thug?
Come here with Shorty.
You know Slim Thug? Come here. Come here. Come here. You know Slim Thug? Come here. Come here. I'm gonna show with Slim Thug. You know Slim Thug?
Where you from? Where you from? What's going on? What's up? Where you from, man?
We live in Maryland.
Maryland? What part? Hold on, let's slow down. From Maryland?
Yeah.
You're both from Maryland? What's your name? Huh?
Why you taping everything? Where you from?
Big dog. Hold on. We gotta get the big dog right there. Big dog. Medium dog right there. Turn it around. Okay, that's a dog. We got a dog right there. I ain't got no dogs to the front. There's two in the front. Whoa, come over here. We gonna get this dog right here. We got dogs right here. That's dogs right there. Dog. Oh, we got dogs on dogs. We got dog on dog. Oh, we got a booty out. Damn it. Get all that. Hot tamale. Oh my God. OMG. I gotta put that on Facebook. That gotta go on Facebook. We gotta work the other side. Let's work the other side. Let's go to the other side over here. We got a dog over here. I got a dog over here. I got a dog right here. We got one dog right here. Yeah. Get it. Oh, she about to lose the movie. Uh-oh. Why y'all won't sit down?